What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. This is my Hero Honda Splendor, and today we're gonna do a oil change, and we're gonna use this Castrol 20W40. This is actually great oil, and I love it. I've been using this for past I don't know, maybe 1.5 to 2 years. So we're gonna do with this one. Okay, so we're done with the oil change, and I'm gonna wrap this up. But before I go, I just want to say to you guys, always use a good oil in your engine, because the last thing you want to do, guys, is mess up with your engine. So hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.